ሰላም ውድ የዩቲዩብ ተመልካቾቻችን ዛሬ በአዲስ ቪዲዮ ተመልሰናል። ዛሬ የምናሳያችሁ ምርጥ 5 የፕሮግራሚንግ እና የሃኪንግ ሙቪዎች ወይም ፊልሞችን ለእናንተ ይሆናሉ ብለን ያሰብናቸውን ይዘንላችሁ ቀርበናል። ከዛ በፊት ግን ለቻናላችን አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ምትሉን በተን ይጫኑ። እንዲሁም ቪዲዮአችን ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ እና ሼር ያድርጉልን። አስተያየትና ጥቆማዎትን በኮሜንት እና በኢንቦክስ ያድርሱ። ወደ ቪዲዮ እናልፋለን።
This is a cipher message. That's why he wanted to come home. G-U-R. T-H-E. A shift value of 13. It's a route 13 algorithm. The parent pages will help you find your calling, but don't be duped. Cut down the woods, they be number sets. Where are you? It's a phone number.
And 8th. There will be a cab waiting.
Erica Albright's a bitch. Do you think that's because her family changed their name from Albrecht? Or do you think it's because all BU girls are bitches? An idea. Together, it gives the whole thing a very Turing feel, since people's ratings of the pictures will be more implicit than, say, choosing a number to represent each person's hotness like they do on hotornot.com. The first thing we're going to need is a lot of pictures. Unfortunately, Harvard doesn't keep a public centralized Facebook, so I'm going to have to get all the images from the individual houses that people are in. Let the Kirkland. They keep everything open and allow indexes in their Apache configuration, so a little wget magic is all that's necessary to download the entire Kirkland Facebook. Kid stuff. They're also open, but with no indexes on Apache. I can run an empty search and it returns all the images in the database in a single page. And I can save the page and Mozilla will save all the images for me. Excellent. Moving right along. Results to 20 a page. All I need to do is break out the same script I used on Lowell, and there's just a link to a PHP that redirects or something. Weird. This may be difficult. I'll come back later.
Hey, shark me son. What? Right. Beautiful fish. Thanks.
Leverett is a little better. They still make you search, but you can do an empty search.
Boss.
Huh?
We got a problem.
Huh?
We gotta figure out what to do with all these employees. You know Bill.
Been too long, was? How are you? Good to see you. How is it?
This is my friend Daniel Cocky.
Hey, I heard a lot about you. How you doing?
Cocky from India, of course. I've heard a lot about you too. Don't touch that.
It's Chris Espinosa, the kid down the street I was telling you about.
Nice to meet you, fella. This is gonna be so cool.
Great. I'm so glad that you're excited about this thing we're doing here. Can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah.
Excuse me, just please stop and go over there. Just out of the way over there. We can't afford to pay 3 people right now.
We can't afford to pay ourselves unless we deliver. And don't worry about Chris. He's just a kid, so he just wants to help.
You're just a kid.
Berlin, Istanbul. Any server, any connection, the modern battlefield is everywhere. Which means you don't have to sit in the ditch eating MREs or dodging mortar fire. It means that if there is another 9/11, it'll be your fault. just as the last one was my generation's. Each of you is going to build a covert communications network in your home city. You're going to deploy it, back up your site, destroy it, and restore it again. The point of this exercise is to keep your infrastructure up and running securely. Yeah, it's 5 hours. If you take more than 8, you will fail.
Mr. O'Brien? I'm done, sir.
You don't have to tell me when you've completed a stage.
No, I finished the whole thing.
It's been 40 minutes.
38.
What?
38 minutes.
Okay, let's see where you screwed up.
You didn't say we had to do it in order, sir, so I broke the sequence to save time, and I automated the backup process to run as I built the site.
Eyes on screens.
Sir? What should I do now?
Whatever you want.
This is just the beginning.
It all started with a small immigrant family. That's me, 𝓢𝓸𝓬𝓲𝓪. Cost $15,000. And I sell for 10. Mom. Hey.
Unemployed who will lose their house.
I can make that back. I hated the bank that fired my mom. I didn't want to cross that line, but corrupt bankers were gonna get punished.
You having a rough day?
Sorry, do I know you?
You might want to buy your watches.
I want you to appreciate the quality of the product that I'm bringing to you.
How much?
All.
We made about 60 grand.
That's your half. Alone, we're just two dudes. A girl can always help.
If we can figure out a way to make money and cause chaos.
Something wrong.
There's a problem here.
Sir, can you comment on the current market?
It's not like we're sending anyone a message or hurting the system. We're just making money.
So what do you want to do?
I want to cause a little chaos.
Money is power.
It's not always about the money. We got a good thing going here, man.
They can do something! No, they can't, Alex.
I need you here, okay?
So to send a message to the system, you have to talk in terms of dollars and cents.
We're gonna charge you with breaking and entering, cyber terrorism, and credit card fraud on the federal level.
Money doesn't change people. It reveals them.
ፊልሞች እንደወደዳችኋቸው ተስፋ እናደርጋለን። እነዚህን ፊልሞች ዳውንሎድ ማድረግ እንዴት እንደምትችሉ ከዚህ በፊት የሰራነው ቪዲዮ ስላለ እሱን ሊንክ ዲስክሪፕሽን ላይ እና ኢንድ ስክሪን ላይ ስላስቀምጥንላችሁ ቪዲዮን ገብታችሁ መመልከት ትችላላችሁ። የዛሬው ቪዲዮ ይሄንን ይመስል ነበር። በቀጣይ በአዲስ በአማረ ቪዲዮ እስክንገናኝ ድረስ ቻው።